How to delete recently played on Spotify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify in a very easy fashion. Now the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and launch your Spotify app on your phone. Once we have this launched, you'll notice at the top we have a recently played section where all of my recently played music is. We want to go ahead and remove that and delete that. First things that we're going to do is go down to your library at the bottom right. Then we'll go ahead and tap on our profile picture at the top left here. Then within the settings menu, we need to go ahead and select privacy and social. From here, we have multiple options and multiple solutions. The first thing to do would be to actually start a private session. This is going to go ahead and allow you to listen anonymously in Spotify. That means none of your recently played will be tracked and your profile will not be associated with those listens. We also have listening activity. Now you can actually go ahead and turn this off, and your followers on Spotify or your friends that you've connected with social media platforms such as Facebook to Spotify will not be able to see what you're listening to. So I'm going to go ahead and just tap right there and turn that off. The other option we have is recently played artists. You can actually go ahead and turn this off to remove the recently played artists on your public profile. Now this will help us avoid having our recently played shown to other followers on Spotify, but it will not solve the issue of it showing up on our app. If we need to actually solve that issue, we can go ahead and turn on a private session, and then we will have it removed from our app, and anything that we listen to in our private session will not show up under recently played. The other option that you have is to actually log out of your Spotify account by going back to settings and then scrolling down to the log out button at the very bottom. Once you're logged out, anything you listen to will not show up under recently played on your account. I hope today's video has helped. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.